Welcome to our YouTube video on jigs. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what a jig is in engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? A jig is a custom-made tool that guides and holds a workpiece in place to ensure accuracy and consistency during manufacturing operations such as drilling or cutting. Think of a jig like a stencil for metalworking. It directs the tool to the exact spot, so every piece comes out precise and uniform. So, why is jig so beneficial to use? Because jigs eliminate human error, increase productivity, and ensure consistent quality in mass production. They are key to achieving efficiency and precision in modern manufacturing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.